This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Miranda Blah. The Border Security Force, which is entrusted with guarding the 443 kilometers long Indo-Bangladesh border that Meghalaya shares with the neighboring country, has reassured the residents of the state that the international border is safe in their hands. The BSF personnel are on duty in the national interest in guarding the Indo-Bangladesh border round the clock. A statement issued by the BSF Meghalaya Frontier said the BSF troops are celebrating Diwali festival inside the campus as well as international border. Most of the personnel could not go to their home to celebrate the festival with their family owing to the pandemic, the statement added. 2 more COVID-19 related deaths in West Garo Hills district took the fatality figure to 100, while 51 fresh cases took the active case count to 1,014 in Meghalaya yesterday, while 63 persons recovered from the viral infection, taking the number of recoveries to 9,518, a health department bulletin said. In Manipur, 5 persons expired due to COVID-19 infection, increasing the total fatality due to the pandemic in the state to 218. On the other hand, 211 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases, taking the count of positive cases so far to 21,636. 190 persons were discharged from the hospitals and the recovery rate is 84.73%. On the latest count, Manipur has a total recovered and discharged cases of 18,334, while the number of active cases is 3,084. Nagaland reported 112 fresh COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, taking the caseload to 9,750. In addition, 30 patients from Dimapur also recovered from the viral infection. The state now has 805 active cases, while 8,794 have recovered. In the wake of increase in COVID-19 cases and people not adhering to SOPs and guidelines, the Nagaland government has authorized various state enforcement agencies to impose penalties on citizens who are violating safety protocols in public spaces. Public police have also been entrusted with ensuring that public transport vehicles such as buses, taxis and auto rickshaws to adhere to the limit on the number of passengers as per guidelines. The Assistant Registrar of Cooperative Societies East Khasi Hills, in collaboration with the Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank Limited, Shillong, celebrated the 67th All India Cooperative Week by holding a function yesterday. Speaking on the occasion, the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District, Isa Wanda Lalu, reiterated the Prime Minister's slogan for Atma Nirbhar Bharat with the belief that crisis has to be turned into opportunity in the context of the COVID-19 pandemic. At a time when the world has been badly affected by the corona pandemic, she pointed out that cooperative societies have significantly supported the efforts of the government in providing relief to the most vulnerable sections of society. The same holds true for the 2,000-strong cooperative societies in the state of Meghalaya, the DC said. Dr. M. Chuba Ao, the National Vice President of Bharatiya Janata Party, the former State President of BJP Nagaland Pradesh, has been appointed as the BJP state in charge for Meghalaya. BJP Meghalaya Pradesh has resolved to take the message of development to the people and to provide a corruption-free alternative to the state, a statement said. The BJP also thanked the outgoing state in charge Nalin Kohli for rendering service to the party in Meghalaya and wished him the best for his new assignment as state in charge of Nagaland. Diwali, the festival of lights, and Kali Puja are being celebrated across the northeast along with the rest of the country in keeping with the safety norms of the pandemic times. Governors and chief ministers of the various states in the region have greeted the people on the occasion. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma expressed hope that the blessings of Diwali would restore love, peace and harmony in the state and the country. Diwali symbolizes victory of righteousness and lifting spiritual darkness, Manipur Chief Minister M. Biren Singh said in his message. He called for eradicating the evils of racism, violence and corruption from the society and creation of a positive atmosphere of goodwill, brotherhood and mutual understanding. With that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.